The traffic stop, you'll be free to go once you get your tickets.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what? Anything else?
Okay. Okay. You want me to say anything else? All right.
You guys suspended, right?
I guess I'm revoked.
Who's she to you?
It's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Yes.
What's her name?
Come on, bro. What is this?
All right, you don't want to play this game?
For what? What does she have to do with me?
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Audit the Law. I'd like to thank you folks so much once again for tuning in. Today we are bringing to you guys a video brought to you by the way of this channel here, going by the name of San Fran, but this video takes place in the state of New York. In this video, this man and his girlfriend were pulled over by the New York State Police for having tinted windows. The cops you will see in this video come off as rude, condescending, and narcissistic. Oh, and especially unprofessional. The retaliation coming from these cops and the way it just continues on throughout this video is just unreal. This video shows a clear violation of this man's First and Fourth Amendment rights. But as soon as these cops realize that they have an exemption sticker for the window tint, you guys will see these cops try to find anything else to get these guys with just to make their lives a little bit harder. They even go as far as to bringing out the canine to do a sniff search around the vehicle and eventually ends up scratching the vehicle. I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
I know the law. Can you tell me what the traffic stop's for?
Tints. What is your
The
name?
tints is legal. He's looking at him right now.
If you don't identify yourself on this traffic stop, I'm going to detain you.
You're going to detain me for what?
The tints.
The tints are legal?
You got a sticker.
Okay.
What's the sticker say?
What does the sticker say?
It comes back on this car. Exempt on the tint.
I can't hear you.
Exempt on the tint.
Okay. Thank you.
What's your name?
Thank you. I know the law very, very well. Very well. Better than you do. I know. I like how you just acting real tough. Fuck no. It's cursing and shit. Camera's on. You're not cursing
You're
no
Gary
more.
Kerbanoff.
No shit, Sherlock.
You're suspended.
No shit, Sherlock. What you just did the traffic stop. You just admitted that you did it for the tints. Tints is legal.
Except you're not.
Okay. That's what you went that hard for that? Cool, man.
You're not, right?
Cool, man. That's
Are
what
you
it was
denying
for?
that you're suspended?
I don't know. I paid all my fines.
You paid all your fines?
All of them. Every single
You
one
got a
of them.
valid license.
I don't know. I went to court in Dryden in front of the judge.
Which judge?
I don't know. There's only one in Dryden, I think.
Are there two?
I have no idea. The guy. Older
They're
man.
both dudes.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay. He said, by paper, you have a license.
So-
I paid over $11,000 in fines.
So you're not suspended?
How am I? Tell me. The police said I am, and so did the lady. But the judge is like, go figure it out. Come back in January.
As of right now, you're suspended.
For what, though?
I don't know. Here, let's go over my car. No. You got any weapons on you or anything like that?
Not at all.
I'm gonna pat you down.
I don't consent to this, but
No, I'm not asking for consent for
Okay.
a pat down.
okay.
Where you come from, dude?
That's none of your business, bub.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's none of your business, bub.
Honestly, folks, it's still super astonishing to me how genuinely afraid cops are of regular people. This only shows us what they're being taught in the academy, and they do it from time and time again. This is just what they do when they have nothing better to do. They go and make life harder for other folks, either for their own satisfaction or their pension. It's a huge shame, and it seems like the people are getting tired of it, especially if it repeatedly happens to one individual like this one here. And by the way, folks, you absolutely have a right to refuse a pat down by police. This is part of the Fourth Amendment where you have a right to keep secure of your person, paper, and effects. This is why you must always record your interactions with the police because the camera will keep everyone honest. Cops have been known since the beginning of time to just flat out lie straight to your face as well as in the face of the judge.
Okay. Here, throw me down here. Gary, how do you spell Kerbanoff?
K-U-R.
K-U-R.
B as in boy.
B as in boy.
A-N-O-V.
A-N-O-V.
Well, my sister was right. She filed. She filed a little. No, it's all right. Never mind.
Your sister filed something?
Yeah, on you guys for harassment on her. You guys are so dumb.
Your sister filed
Yeah,
harassment on me?
we got dash cams in all our cars, and you guys just keep speeding up to her, following her. She got kids in the car. It's
I don't
okay, though.
even know who your
I
sister
don't
is.
know, but she had you guys. She knows who you guys are. She just texted me 3 minutes ago about you guys.
Who?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're revoked, dude.
For what?
Gary
I can't see.
Kerbanoff,
I don't know where I'm looking for.
revoked. See all the red? Gary Kerbanoff,
Oh yeah, that's it.
revoked.
But what does revoke mean?
You don't have a license
But
at
how
all.
if I paid all my? Does it say my fines are paid? All of them. Every single one. Is that my fines? Every single
This one.
ticket.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, Gary.
Huh.
Cleared on blank. Cleared on blank.
What does that mean?
Cleared on blank. It means it's not cleared.
But I paid
Cleared
all
on
of those.
Blank. Cleared on blank.
Hold on. Is there any dates on these?
Yep. 2/10/21, 7/14/22, 1/19/21. If you want it, I'll print it for you, Gary.
I'm
You
gonna take
don't
this
need
to my
to be-
lawyer. No, this is for my lawyer.
You
Because
don't
I
need to
have.
be fucking weird about it.
But I'm not being weird. How am I being weird when I pay $11,000 in
showing
fines?
me, you're just flashing your phone up.
No,
on
I'm
this.
recording something.
Yeah, you're recording our interaction, but like all of this doesn't belong to you. I will print out your stuff.
Oh, okay, all right.
This is a county system, man.
That's my ticket you just said.
I'm saying all of it doesn't belong to you. You think you're the only person I've ever run on this system?
Who? Aren't you showing me?
I'm showing you, but you have your phone up here recording all this shit.
I just did that.
Okay.
Oh, man. All right, Bob.
So what's the deal, man? You got
All right.
suspended drive?
I guess I'm revoked.
Who's she to you?
It's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Yes.
What's her name?
Come on, bro. What is this?
All right, you don't want to play this game?
For what? What does she have to do with me? Michelle, call my dad. Tell him come right here. I'm not gonna stop recording them. 5600.
Gary, what's the odometer on the car?
What does that mean?
Tell me your car.
My dad will be right here. You'll be right here. My dad will be right here. 5 minutes before the tow truck. No.
Stay back with my trooper.
That with me, Gary. Did you call him, Michelle?
No, I can't. I'm going to the car.
Oh, yo, you guys are crazy. Why is the dogs here? What is the dogs here for? They don't always roll with y'all. Y'all just came with more. They just came in that one. Yeah, all the time. Look at him. He wants him to smell something. He's not going to smell nothing. What the fuck? He must smell it. He must like the weed. Yo, come on. He's scratching the car now. Oh, man. Come on, man.
We found his nails.
I just heard his nails on the car.
It's hard nails, but we file them down through jail. So we don't have that.
How many times does you have to walk around the car?
No, I'm not a canine handler, so I wouldn't know.
How many times does he walk around the car?
Not a canine handler.
How many times have you ever seen him walk around the car?
Multiple times.
Multiple, as in how many is multiple?
Multiple.
I noticed the key inside the center console. That's the key for this vehicle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright folks, so if you haven't noticed yet by now, the only thing these cops are doing now is wasting everybody's time. Well, obviously except for themselves because they get paid by the hour, in over-exaggerated amounts in my opinion, and that is coming from the taxpayer, which is we the people. I mean, as you guys can see here, they literally called in 3 patrol vehicles for 2 individuals that pose no threat. And once again, folks, this only goes to show how there are way too many cops put on the street with a badge that gives them immunity to do whatever they want, if you let them. Then, when they get called to do a job they're assigned for, they show up to these calls and treat people like they're complete and utter trash. It truly leaves me in disgust in the way they treat those who do and don't know their rights. Which is why, folks, channels like ours still exist, as well as many others, so we are here to teach you folks and inform you on the rights that you have, and how to properly stand up for them.
How far is your dad, Gary?
Downtown almost. You see, about to be coming up the hill.
Okay. Our policy is when I call the inventory, your dad, he's a registered owner of the vehicle, right?
Yeah.
So if he beats the tow, nothing I can do. It's his vehicle.
Where's the tow?
I don't know.
Oh,
I called for a tow
okay.
when, you wouldn't identify her because I would have just let her fucking drive it. But just for future reference, when dealing with cops.
Can I get the key at least?
No, the key's staying with the vehicle as long as Because as of right now, the tow is still coming.
Yeah, but the key.
Yeah. The tow truck's gonna need the key.
Oh.
So what I'm saying is, if your dad lawfully gets here before the tow company gets here, it's his vehicle. I have no right to prevent him from taking his own vehicle. As long as he's valid. He's got a valid license.
Yeah.
Right? So I have no right to prevent him from taking his vehicle. However, you cannot drive.
Okay.
He is the only one that can drive that car away.
So I could sit in the car though.
No.
Oh.
No. Because like 2 weeks ago, we had a guy ripped from us.
It's cold. I can't sit in the back seat.
You can sit in my car.
I don't want to sit in your car. I want to sit in my dad's car.
Not happening.
No.
If you're cold and you want to sit in the car, that's totally
By law, I cannot sit in that car. By law. Right now.
Yes, no.
By law. Okay.
Yes, no.
Okay. Yes, no. Yes, no. What is?
I'm agreeing with you by saying yes, you cannot sit in that car.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying no, like you cannot sit in that car.
Okay. You're agreeing. Yeah. I got you.
You seem like you have a question.
No, you seem like you didn't know my question.
You're asking by law, you're not allowed to sit.
I
in
know.
that car.
You said yes, no. That's why
And
I said
I'm
that.
saying by law, yes, no, you're not allowed to sit in that car.
Gotcha.
Do you have any other questions?
No. Can I go stand over there with my girlfriend now? I'm not detained. Am I detained? You said
No, you're not free to go.
Okay. So what am I standing here for if my dad could come get the car?
Because I'm going to issue you tickets. You're not free to go.
Okay.
Any other questions for us?
Nah, go ahead. Do your thing.
For the traffic stop, you'll be free to go once you get your tickets.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what? Anything else?
Okay. Okay. You want me to say anything else?
I'm glad we're all good, man.
We're
Thank
all good. We're all good, bro. No, yellow one, yeah.
How much money do you have? Are you guys rich or not?
Really? You guys?
Shut up, shut up.
No, why? No. Why are you guys asking my girlfriend about money? Why were you guys asking her about money? Why were you guys asking her about money? How much money I have? Now nobody knows nothing?
I did not ask her how much money.
Oh, man.
Ask her. Have her point.
Yo, Michelle, he said point at the person that asked you that. Point, no, come here. Come, Michelle, yo, I'm on camera. Come here right now. And point at the person that said that. Point at the person that said that. Which one?
This one right here.
Him?
I asked you if it was a $250,000.
Okay, thank you. All right.
You talking about that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You guys need some money? My dad said he could give you guys a donation. Seriously, he said he'll give you guys a donation if you guys need some money.
No, I'm good.
You sure?
I have a phone from police. I know we need the money.
Oh yeah, we do get calls from the police all the time. Talk about $1 donation shit.
Yeah, do it.
Don't worry about it. I'm saying we can give it to you guys if you really need it.
You guys do it?
No.
Take it for you.
Thank you, bub.
All right. AUO second, Ithaca Town Court on 12/28 at 9 a.m. Either appear in person that date or time, or follow all the directions on the back. You can submit everything by mail.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for me?
No. Well, thank you for writing the wrong one. Thank you for writing the wrong ticket, bub. I beat it just like this. You gotta write me an AO in the third, bub. Yeah, thank you. AO in the second. That's how I beat the last one. I'm going AO in the second. I don't even have an AO in the third yet. Três vai, passa o cara, vai.
You guys are free to go.
Thank you.
Go to school. Better for you.
Go to school. It's better for you.
Thank you for the life advice.
No problem. Maybe you'll drive one of these one day.
I doubt it.
I know. Me too. No, you didn't.
Once we leave, you can't park here.
Huh?
You guys gotta go.
Alright folks, and that's all she wrote for this one here. I definitely want you all to leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys head over to this guy's channel and let him know we sent you. As always folks, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description. This video was obviously another clear demonstration on how cops still like to use their dirty tactics on people. People who are minding their own business, who would just like to go on about their day. But I guess this is what happens when you take up a job, or sometimes even born into the job, where its sole purpose is to violate the rights of the people. And sometimes even friends and family members, because that does happen as well. well. If you folks appreciated this video, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future content, including updates, lawsuits, and settlements. If you folks don't know the first law of the land, I will quickly state it for you guys. In the United States of America, there is this document called the Constitution that includes the First Amendment that says, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or of the right of the people to peacefully assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Folks, that is the First Amendment verbatim, and guess what? Those who swear an oath to protect this specific right don't even know what it is at all. So I would like to ask you guys this. What does that tell you about policing in America today? If you don't know your rights, you will not have any. I would like to thank you folks so much once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.